Join me as I challenge myself to create a winter wonderland in just 10 minutes. Let's see if I can pull it off. Painting a winter wonderland might sound like a daunting task, but I'm here to show you that with just two colors, blue and white, you can create a stunning piece of art in no time. The best part? It's ridiculously easy and can be done in just 10 minutes. I know what you're thinking, painting is for kids, it's not a serious art form. But I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Painting can be a powerful medium for creating unique and beautiful art, and it's definitely not just for kids. In fact, many artists use painting as a way to express themselves and tap into their creativity. One of the biggest misconceptions about painting is that it's messy and uncontrolled. But with a few simple techniques and some practice, you can achieve some amazing effects. And the best part is, you don't need any special equipment or training, just your fingers and a willingness to get creative. Another myth about painting is that it's not a serious art form. But I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Painting can be a powerful medium for expressing yourself and telling stories. And with the right techniques and a little practice, you can create some truly stunning pieces of art. Okay, enough chit-chat, let's get started on our winter wonderland. The first step is to mix our two colors to create a range of shades and tones. By mixing blue and white, we can create everything from pale icy blues to deep, rich tones. And the best part is, it's ridiculously easy, just squish the paint around on your palette until you get the color you want. Now it's time to start adding some winter-themed elements to our painting. I'm going to start with some snowflakes. These are easily created by dragging my finger across the canvas in a circular motion. You can experiment with different pressures and speeds to get different effects. Next, I'm going to add some icy trees to our winter wonderland. These are easily created by dragging my finger across the canvas in a vertical motion, using a combination of light and heavy pressures to get different textures and effects. You can also experiment with different finger strokes to get different shapes and forms. As we continue to build up our winter wonderland, I'm going to start adding some more details, like snow-covered branches and frozen lakes. These are easily created by mixing and matching different techniques and strokes. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, that's the beauty of painting. And that's it, our winter wonderland is complete. I'm blown away by how much we've been able to achieve in just 10 minutes using only two colors. The transformation from a blank canvas to a beautiful winter wonderland is truly amazing. Painting is all about simplicity and joy, it's about letting go of your inhibitions and embracing your creativity. And I hope this video has shown you that anyone can create beautiful art, regardless of skill level or experience. Thanks so much for joining me on this painting adventure. I'd love to see your own winter wonderlands in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials and creative inspiration.